Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. As usual, we start with the fun story, fun fact. So one of the things I want to share is that I recently picked up golf. Today would have been my third lesson that I've received. And so, my theory, and this has helped me throughout my life, is whatever it is that I want to do, whether it's a hobby or activity or real estate or whatever it is, relationship, fitness, the goal is to really just commit to it and go all in. So one of the commitments I said, well, to be a better golfer, obviously you have to have hit many balls. So I committed to myself to hit 500 balls every single week. That's going to the driving range and getting better. And the reason why I share this is because whatever it is that we are doing in life, in fitness, relationship, finances, the more what I call time under tension, the more you're actually doing it, the better that you're going to get quicker, right? I could probably get better at golf over 10 years if I hit 100 balls a month, right? And, I'll slowly get better. But if we really want to get better quickly or try to get to whatever it is that we want quicker, you just got to do it more often. So I leave you with that. Whatever it is that you're looking to do more of it, and it's going to get you to better results quicker than if we kind of extend the period. So with that being said, let's get started. I want to start off by congratulating good friends Ivan and Carolina. They have sold their home. Congratulations, guys. And they are purchasing their new home or closing on their new home. They closed their old home on yesterday, and they're getting the keys to their new home in a couple days. So congratulations, guys. That is what we call a contingent sale, meaning they sold a property, used the proceeds, and then in this case, upgraded to a bigger home. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, please let us know. It's more challenging in this market, and that's just being transparent. However, as Ivan and Carolina can attest, it happens, and it's their life proof that it does happen. So congratulations to them. Again, if you want to know more about that, please let us know. We're also excited about our in-person workshop. That's right, we've been doing virtual workshops like crazy, just like everyone else has adapted to Zoom. We are now doing in person. That means we get to see you, right? No more of this video. Obviously, a little bit more video as well, but the in person is kind of awesome, and you actually get to interact. So this Saturday morning, I think we might be sold out. So if the link's below somewhere, please click on it. There might be a waiting list. We're limited to, I think, 10 families into our big training room at the office. So we want to just be respectful of those that are joining us to make sure everyone's social distance, masks, and so forth. So we're excited. If you're interested in buying, please come over. We're very much going to explain what the real market is like. And that's something that's really important. It's not about the butterflies and rainbows. This is truth about what the market's really like. So if this is you and you're thinking about taking advantage of the low interest rates, this is a great opportunity to get kind of your feet wet with what the reality is out there. So with that said, we have our beautiful Hacienda Heights home that hit the market about a week and a half ago. So if you're interested in a home with a view, beautiful, entertaining home, that home is definitely for you. We have a property on Honolulu Terrace. It's a piece of land. Whether you build now, you build down the line, you are ready to go pull permits tomorrow, which is really rare because that process on Hillside is usually a couple years. In this case, I think it was 3.5 years to get to this point where you can go pull a permit and start digging tomorrow. So with that, we want to say thank you for your continued support. Hope the stories made sense. It really makes sense in my head. And, again, the golf example, I have the calluses in my hands to prove it from swinging so many times. However, I'm looking forward to, months from now, a year from now, where my game, and again, relative to whatever it is that you have, is going to improve and look better. So with that being said, thanks, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.